Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and today in this video I will give you a short demo on SAP Status Bar module. This module is a part of standard module of Tosca and this module is located inside standard module, then Tbox X Engine, and inside SAP you can find SAP Status Bar. In SAP, status messages are shown in the status bar and we can steer the SAP Status Bar with this module. Now in SAP application you can see in the status bar, a message is showing as standard order 34798 has been saved. Now I want to verify this message. So here we can use SAP status bar module to verify this text. Now let's see how we can use this module. So now first of all I will drag and drop this SAP status bar module in the test case section. And I can give the name of this test case as SAP status bar. And here you can see three module attribute: message, message type, and session info. So message is used to verify the text of the status bar message. So here the text is standard order number has been saved and action mode will be verify. And message type is used to verify the type of the status bar message. Here you can see the following values. So in my case, standard order has been saved successfully. So here message type will be success and action mode will be verify. Now session info is used to verify various details relating to the current session. Now in SAP application, here you can see different current session is there. So here I am verifying the client. Now again I am jump to Tosca. So here I am writing client and the value is 800. And action mode is verify. Now I will run this in a Scratchbook and let's see what happened. So here it is passed successfully. Now in the Scratchbook, we can see the message verification was successful as well as message type was successful and verification type is also successful. So in this way, we can use SAP status bar module.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and user tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis continuous testing platform. For more information, please visit tricentis.com/academy.